as you all know, but you probably don't because I only uploaded one video other than this. Anyways, peoples, nobody knew that I have pets. I used to have 2 gerbils. A long time ago, I used to have a cat, but we got rid of it. I don't know why, when I was a baby. But now I'm 10, we have a dog. And yes, I just did dog. 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 I think you're good. I have a dog, and I'm going to show you it in this video. Like, he's going to be playing in the garden. So, yeah, pretty much. Let's do it. Right, guys. This right here is a cage. It's got a blanket over it. Because we need to do, like, the reveal. The reveal needs to be done. Can you see that? Can you see that? I don't think you can see that, so let's let her out because she's a very dark dog. Ella, come on. Her name's Ella, by the way. You wanna come into the garden? Come on, come on. Here she is. This is vlogging legend number 2. Please don't have the toilet. Please don't poop. Oh, she's going. Bye. Okay. She doesn't want anything to do with YouTube. Come on, Ella, you're the vlogging legend number 2. You need to be on my channel. You know what? She doesn't want to. She's just not having none of that. No, ow, that really hurt. This is a good time to show you my flipping scooter because it's savage. Right now, I'm going to lean this on a chair. I have no shoes on. I don't care, I'm a savage. As you all know, please don't fall over, please don't fall over, please don't fall over. It didn't fall over. That's always good. Can you see me? So we're going to try and get my dog to come over here. I'm going to try and give her a treat. Then you'll be able to see her in full action. Okay, everybody. Oh, she's trying to snatch it off me. This is a doggy treat. And this is the doggy. I'm going to show you what tricks she can do. When she wants a treat, she's always... Alright, Ella. Sit. Paw. Paw. Good girl. Now she's ran off with her treat. Bye. Alright, you know what? I'm going to end the video here because, yeah. Pretty much the video done. Yeah, pretty much. First we need to do a bang! Bye, guys.